Today in this video I am going to review another perfume for ladies, and that is channel number 5, this one. It's called Eau Premiere. So this is the bottle. Let me show you the bottle. You can see this is the bottle, and this one is for ladies, and I'm going to tell you the reason why this is for ladies. And this is the box, channel number 5, and it's in 100 ml packing. Okay, so first we are going to give it a spray on this tester so to see how it actually smells like in the start. So let's get started. Some citrus with florals, little bit soapy in the start. It smells nice, guys. It smells nice. Jasmine, a very dominant jasmine. Okay, so about the notes, it has same channel kind of vibe which you get from all channel perfumes. Whatever you spray, there is some aldehydic touch to each channel perfume. That is you are going to find the same over here. So you will instantly recognize that this is a channel perfume. Okay, so for me, there are a lot of aldehydes right now, florals and aldehyde mixed. I'm not that experienced that I'm going to tell you that this is neroli or this is whatever. I'm going to give you a simple way of describing the perfume, how it actually smells to my inexperienced nose. So channel number 5, in my opinion, is mostly jasmine dominant. There is some rose, there are aldehydes. Aldehydes are basically chemicals. They are going to give you a citrus or bitter kind of smell. There is vanilla. So now there is vanilla, sandalwood and vetiver into it, but I mostly get sandalwood and vanilla mixed together. There might be a hint of vetiver, I don't detect it. So for me, this is going to give a very delicate and lovely dry down on a woman's skin. So I am not fan of its top and middle notes. Mostly I don't like jasmine. So for me, the dry down, which is vanilla, sandalwood and vetiver, is the best thing to enjoy for this channel number 5 Eau Premiere. So if you really like, mostly I think men, they are not going to like too much florals. Maybe some of them really enjoy that, but women, they really love jasmine and rose, I think. So this is basically jasmine dominant, vanilla, sandalwood kind of smell that is a little bit of creamy in the dry down, and really feels nice on your partner's skin or your any woman's skin. So if you get close to them, this is going to give you a very lovely dry down. So this is channel number 5 Eau Premiere. Now it is jasmine, some white floral. I think it's ylang ylang. I really don't like lang lang actually. So this is sandal and vanilla. So this is for me, this is sandal, vanilla and jasmine dominant with some aldehydes mixed into it. Maybe lang lang is not my favorite, so I'm really going to get a headache if I smell this a lot. But if you compare to other you can say very projecting perfumes or very heavy white floral, this is a bit on the delicate side. It is not going to give you instant headaches, or it is not very pungent in smell, not very punchy. it is a bit on delicate side, delicate aldehydes with some white florals. And there's vanilla. I don't like vanilla a lot, but here it is mixed very well, it is blended very well. It looks really it feels really good. So this is all about channel number 5, Eau Premiere. It is basically vanilla, sandalwood, jasmine with some aldehydes. I hope if you are a woman, I think you should buy it or maybe try it at least. So this is my simple review about channel number 5, Eau Premiere. I hope to see you soon in the next video with some other perfumes. Till then, make sure you subscribe or share this video if you like this video and my simple description of this perfume. I hope to see you soon in another video. Till then, take care and bye.